What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ivy Stocks for YT. Welcome back to another video. So today, guys, if you're new to my channel, my name's Isaac, of course. And if you know me, of course, know my YouTube channel. If you can watch extra of my videos, and then you can probably subscribe. Today, guys, I'm actually going to be showing my review on the new ThermalScope AR. And now more with my my Fortnite gameplay. I'm actually gonna do. And today, guys, we're gonna explain now my review of the Thermal AR, of course. And yeah, guys, you guys can play with me on Xbox, Fortnite with me. My highest kills, of course, is 11 kills. That's a lot. But yeah, I got my new glasses. And yeah, guys, so maybe I can do V-Buck giveaways. I'm trying to learn how to do that. Okay, so we're gonna go start off now with the video right now. So also, guys, I got a new headset. It's a new headset, you see. You guys can play with me. Current right now, I think so. It's about 10 p.m. I might not be accurate, but yeah, guys. So we're gonna go start off. Rig. This is just a prototype. I'm just trying to find the other thing. It's huge. Or I can just put it in the back, of course. Well, I can just put this little thing. I just need the Nerf attachment, the Modulus attachment, or I can just go like this, of course. But yeah, so anyways, guys, we're gonna go. Yeah, we will release a video of that. So with that being said, let's go start with the review, guys. So here's a ThermalScope AR. As you see it in close screen, this is nice. What I see from the ThermalScope AR was pretty good gameplay. And yes, this is from LaserBeam. His heads up though. I just want to give content shirt out to him. And yes, I actually did not do the volume because it might be a little bit copyright. And it's a really OP gun. And yep, there's an ad. Universal Studios Hollywood ad. And you see him. And as you see, this is a LaserBeam, and it's like how you reload it. I'm sorry if I'm shaking. And you see, this is a thermal scope, and you see many things though. And this is like the thermal scope look. Now let me show you the thermal scope look that he just showed you. As you probably do see, that is the look from the thermal scope, and it helps you reveal enemies to your. So you can actually help you. I think this is a very good addition to Fortnite. I like it how they only made it instead because it's a lot more OP than the scope AR. They made it like 5 medium bullets less. I like that very much. I like the thermal scope. It's really nice, in fact, the thermal scope. Now, if you want to see, this is a Cuddle Team Bear. As you do see this, the Cuddle Team Bear. But yeah, so with that being said, I think what you say, everyone says though, is a pretty good weapon, and I think it shouldn't be removed. Like the guided missile, I think the guided missile shouldn't be removed either. I think they should have nerfed it to have, instead of having 20 seconds of fuel, 30 seconds fuel, they should put 10 seconds of fuel instead, like less fuel for the rockets, and I think they would keep it that way. It would be a lot better that way. Wait, and yes, you know, like the Scar, that's my favorite weapon. But I might, my other favorite weapon besides that is, like the LMG. And I'll be showing you guys some Fortnite gameplay also. Once this Fortnite loads. And I sold the Wukong skin, because I wanted to get a better skin. I mean, it's a good skin, but that's like the only thing I could sell. And yes, guys, if you guys would like, I can give away 1,000 V-Bucks. If I know how to. Probably though for our summer giveaway though. And yeah, so if you guys just tell me your address, I will be sending you guys something or like a gift card or something like that. And you see how much V-Bucks I have. And I have all these skins. I'm just waiting for a legendary skin to come out. And you see all those V-Bucks I have. Yeah. So this is my proof. I have 11 eliminations. I did die though. It was 50v50. Yeah, so no. See? Look at that. 11 kills right there. 11 eliminations. And if you guys want to check out more proof, I just had to move this TV over here. I'm just checking if you guys can see well. Or at least a little well. Yeah, that should be good enough. I'll bet that should be. So we're just gonna put a little more forward. That's me. Yola's also my friend. Shout out to Yola, of course, for playing with me. This is also the shout out for Park Lobster and Wolfenstein for playing with me. Really good friends of mine. It's just gotta have to load. I'm just gonna pause the game so it can load better. Okay, there we go. As you see, I'm gonna do 2 times fast. This is my Wukong skin, but I did sell it for like more better skins. I will get more Wukongs. I mean, it doesn't look like it though. I like the gold guild on there. I'm just gonna do 4 times fast. Yeah, so I tried though many things. I was trying to avoid this guy from shooting clingers. Here though, and I'm actually to go about over here. It's loading. But yeah, guys, well, I think of the thermal scoped AR compared to the regular scoped AR rifle. Let me see. Now, here's the current stats, right now. For my team, which is the orange team, I think. I'm a little behind, but I have 1 elimination so far. Now I'm gonna slow it down to 1. A little faster. I'm gonna go a little farther. Hopefully I can try to help you guys get a better view. Hi, Wukong. Hi, man. Oh yeah, Wukong says hello. I bet he wants to give you 1,000 V-Bucks, which equals his gold. He looks like Thanos a little tiny bit, probably not. He looks a little bit. Right now I'm gonna look in his gameplay. So that way you can guys have a better perspective. Sorry about the lag. I'm just gonna shoot. That's what I did. I just shoot at them a little bit. And yes, there's 4 teammates with me, and now there's only about 2. Now 1. I'm just gonna shoot that wall, of course. But yeah, lots of people are saying I'm a noob at the game, and yet I've actually have 11 kills. So that's pretty high amount of kills. I missed that shot, and I got him. Current stats. See, I got another kill. If you guys did not see that one, which I didn't. Whoa. I'm trying to get there. There we go. There we go. It's just gonna load for a little bit. Boom, I got the Zoe. So after that, I did get the Zoe. Sorry if it's taking a little long. It's just a replay kind of sucks because I kind of on the mountain. And you guys will watch that mega kill. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can. Before the ultimate part, it's about 50 seconds. Never mind. I'll tell you at the end. Now watch this. I killed the Zoe. Now I'm probably going to kill most of the squad. Now watch this. Watch this. So I killed one. Two. I go up. Hey, Landon, if you call me a noob, this is proof. You say I couldn't even get one kill in a game? This is proof I'm not lying. Now watch this. Trick shot. Haha. The other 5 people killed. Boom! I killed one. I got knocked out one person. I'm not mini ninja for sure, but I might not be the best player. But I'm developing though. And bro, if you keep saying I'm a noob, this is proof that you shouldn't, bro. And now, this is so far the ratings, for those people, of course. I'm trying to get there. 9 kills, that's a lot. I felt so good during that moment, though. So I just got about approximately 6 kills. 68 kills. That's why I enjoy 50v50, because there's like higher teams, higher chance of winning. However, it's a lower chance too. There we go. Got the launch pad. Got the launch pad. Oh, I couldn't get out. Yeah, I'm so OP with the rocket launcher. And if you're gonna keep calling me a noob, this is proof that you shouldn't. Landon Watts or Landon Jones. Yeah, bro, I think you should stop calling me a noob. I have the mic. We push a little forward. Now watch this. I kill him. Got him. And that's all my 11 kills. That's my 10 kills. Now I'm gonna do it twice as fast. Yep, I get that Rex. I'm like Darth Maul. I'm like the ultimate version of Darth Maul of Fortnite, bro. I'm not like Mini Ninja, but more like Darth Maul. Or Darth Vader. I'm trying to get a little better view. And I have the highest kills in the entire game. I'm like a god. That's kind of like a mini ninja. This is also a message, oh my god. This is like a mini ninja, man. If you're gonna be a mini ninja, bro, I think you better practice. But yeah. But yeah, guys. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And also, one more message. One more message to everyone. Play with me on Xbox. How about that? And maybe I could do a 500 V-Buck giveaway. Or 1,000. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.